FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Hello friends, welcome to today's English learning class. In this video we will learn easy English sentences and conversation about sports. Sports are a fun topic and you will practice English with me. So let's begin. Questions. Do you like sports? What is your favorite sport? Who is your favorite player? How often do you play? Sports vocabulary. Let's learn some useful sports words. Repeat after me. Ball, kick the ball. Bat, hold the bat. Team, I play in a team. Player, he is a good player. Stadium, the match is in the stadium. Short conversation. Hi, do you like sport? Yes, I love sports. My favorite is cricket. That's great. Do you play cricket? Yes. What about you? I like football. I play with my friends. Nice. Who is your favorite player? My favorite player is Ronaldo. Wow, he's amazing. And who is your favorite player? Babar Azam. He's a great batsman. Yes, he plays well. Sports are good for health. That's true. Let's play together someday. Speaking practice drill. Now repeat these useful sentences after me. I like cricket. I play football every day. My favorite player is Ronaldo. Sports keep us healthy. I want to win the match. Let's play together. Ending. Great job everyone. Today you learned sports, vocabulary, a fun conversation and speaking practice sentences. Remember, practice every day to make your English better and stronger. Sports and English both need practice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one.